How is she doing this? She must be holding down her ear. Yeah. Bitch is holding down her ear. Okay, fine. She's smiling. I'm gonna pretend I'm smiling at my boyfriend. No, dead eyes. Sorry, boyfriend. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is a bit self-explanatory after you guys have just seen that. Today's tutorial is kind of less is more makeup tutorial, because I know the last one I filmed it wasn't as natural as I wanted it to be. Now, when I look at super natural pictures on Instagram, oh, wow, that whole sentence made me laugh. Okay, I'm just gonna get over that. Okay, moving on. So, right, still not over it. Now, okay, in all seriousness, when I look at natural pictures, the person I like the most is Kylie Jenner. It just simply is. I know that her pictures obviously are clearly photoshopped. When they are natural, they're still photoshopped, because when you watch her on her Kylie life or Keeping Up with Kardashians, she does not look like that. I mean, she's a beautiful girl, don't even get it twisted. But makeup's not as perfect as it looks in the photo. We know this. I shouldn't be having to tell you this. Even my photos are edited. This channel's not edited, by the way. Clearly my channel's not edited. You can see my pores and wrinkles. The whole one sentence created a massive rant. I'm so sorry. It's been a long time coming, let's just be real. Okay, so anyway, yes. Her natural pictures are beautiful. That is the look that we're going for today. I literally followed it completely. With one picture, I was like, boom, that's the picture I liked, and that's what I'm doing. And this is the outcome of said picture. Clearly, you can go on to watch the tutorial and you know I've used makeup. I've used a fair amount of makeup. It's a makeup channel, what can I do? Other than that, while we're on the topic, okay, I love Kylie Jenner, I do, but my favorite is Khloe Kardashian, okay? Sorry, I am one of those irritating people who do watch the show, but shit, the girl's got good chat. What can I say? I think she's funny. She is funny, okay? I don't care. Judge me, please. Right, so that is it. I have nothing more to say. I think I've said enough. So please go and enjoy the tutorials. As always, if you have any questions, please comment down below. Always happy to talk to you guys, communicate with you whenever I need to. Anyway, yeah, enjoy. Right, so first thing is first, moisturization. Like, no matter what kind of makeup you are doing at this time of year, your moisturizer, serums, all that kind of jazz is your most important part of everything. Okay, so it is for me, but are you ready for this, yeah? This is why I'm going to such serious lengths with my moisturizer. See? Look at that! You see the snow? Like, don't even get me started about how cold it is out there. I went out this morning. It's like free Botox. For my oil, I will be using Edin's Semilla 100% pure organic rosehip oil. You can get this on Amazon.
Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules.
So next up for moisturizer, this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Looks something like this.
Go on, just do what you do.
Trust me, your skin will thank you. So for primer today, I am going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I know this is like a glowy kind of natural makeup tutorial, but the truth is, because I've used so much moisturizer on my face, I don't want my face sliding off. That's my excuse and I'm sticking to it. this is not going to come as any surprise. Sorry, I am that predictable. Okay, so for foundation today, it is none other than the Ordinary Coverage Foundation. My colour is indeed 2.1Y. Medium with yellow undertones, apparently that stands for. Today I'm going to be mixing my foundation with the MAC Strobe cream. This is the red light one. It's so beautiful when you mix these into your foundation, it's unreal. Yeah!
All of the pain seems to follow, like a shadow dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go?
Next up is concealer. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. It's something like this. My colour is medium and neutral. Setting all that, I'll be using none other than the Ben Nye Luxury Powder in Cameo. Right, so face powder today. It is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. The most natural setting powder I own. Just a little bit of powder today. Natural makeup, yeah. So for bronzer today, okay, it is the MAC Cosmetics Pro Long Wear Powder Pressed whatever. This is in the colour dark. It's not really bronzer either, we're kind of just defining. So blushers. Ding. This is the Morphe 9B palette. Okay, it looks something like this. Because the picture that we are going from, it's very pink, we are going for the very pink shade. If you own the 9B palette, it's the one at the top in the middle.
Every day, I put my hands together and pray that it won't be long.
I forget how much I like blusher, you know. I do love it. Oh, I love blusher. So we're not wearing highlighter today because I just want that natural glowiness instead of the ooh. This is not the day for ooh. The easy part is over. Now for the harder part, eyebrows. The one thing I love about Kylie Jenner's eyebrows is the fact that it's so natural yet clearly not natural. So they're like microbladed. I'm going to show you how to recreate that fresh microbladed look because mine aren't fresh anymore, you can barely see it. I will be using the Zoeva 317 Winged Liner brush. Now, the reason I'm using this brush instead of my Anastasia brush is because of that edge. Like, look how sharp that is. Like, you'll see. To create the look, I will be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. This colour is in chocolate. I know I only went one video without using it. I don't use this on a regular basis. I'm clearly just using this because of the look I'm creating, okay? So don't get your knickers in a twist. Booby. I'm just gonna go in the natural direction of my eyebrows. Well, the direction I create with a spoolie. Right, now I'm gonna do upward strokes.
Heaven sent an angel. Never give up hope. I always believed there was someone out there to fill the hole inside of me. I'm looking for
Booty.
going on here nobody.
Now, this is the tricky part, is obviously this bit, because we're just going to do lines in true microblading fashion. I'm not going to spoolie that bit out because I want those defined lines. Just want that bit there. Woo! Next eyebrow.
Yeah, we said we let it go.
That was kind of easy, huh? I love this. So for mascara today, I will be using none other than the Benefit Their Real mascara in black.
You want it though.
Right, as you can see, I don't want to put too much mascara on because I want it to look, God, I'm going to say natural again, but you know what I mean. That's why I love this mascara, because the wand is so, like, separating. It does not clump. Anyway, we're trying to darken the eyelashes, curl them, without making it obvious that we're wearing mascara. You know what I mean. Okay, so you guys know how much I love my Lash Unlimited ones, blah de blah blah, I like them, whatever. I've got some new ones. They're not Lash Unlimited, they are Adele. I thought I would try some new ones, because who doesn't like buying eyelashes, let's be real. Anyway, so these are Ardell Natural Demi Pixies in black. They look like this, don't they? Look lovely. Yes, clearly I have never worn them before, but they look just like my Lash Unlimited ones. Or I think they do anyway. Anyway, I want them to kind of look like we've had like extension lashes instead of full on eyelashes. Aren't those pretty? Oh my god, I literally cannot get over these eyelashes. And they just look like your lashes, but like 100 times nicer, let's be real. Right, so lips is up next. We know how she likes her lips. So it is lip liner. We're just using a basic lip liner. It's not basic. MAC is not basic. Right, so the lip liner that I am choosing today is Oak. Oak is the closest colour that I can find that's my natural lip colour. So obviously you're going to want to find one that's not closely to your lip colour. That is what we're opting for. Your lips, but better, like your eyelashes. Yes, we're going to overline our lips. I overline my lips anyway.
I got trapped in your eyes the moment you looked at me. From across the room, those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain, oh baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane, and only you can save me. Feels like I'm drowning in ocean's blue. Baby, come on, baby, baby, come on, let's go. I'm losing control of the lights in this space. Keep jumping around, all I see is your face. Now you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into space, and I can't deny how badly I need you now. I need you now. I need you now. I need you now. I need you now.
That's that. If you want to be exactly like her, she actually uses Spice lip liner. She does not use Oak. The reason I use Oak and not Spice is because Spice is darker than Oak, and because my lips are naturally dark, it comes out really dark. So you get my gist, but I'm just giving you the option, or telling you, you may not know that it's actually Spice. Yeah. So last but not least, setting spray. Right, so this is the NYX, whatever you want to say, I don't even know. This is the Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Spray. I didn't breathe in deeply for that one because it kind of stinks. So before you go and like this video and subscribe to my channel, there is one last bit.
I'm losing control, the lights in this place keep jumping around, all I see is your face. Now you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder shoots me into.
You can always tell when I've straightened my hair because my ears go really red. Oh, little ears. Little weird gay bit is over. You'll be happy to know. Right, so that is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. More importantly, if you liked it that much and would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Right, that's it, I swear. I'll see you guys next time.